Hi, I'm Margaret. A couple of weeks ago, I made some lovely buttery croissants. A few people have asked me to make a few different kinds of croissants. So here's the first variation. Today I'm making chocolate ones. Here's a link to the recipe for the dough. I've cut the batch in half and I'm going to roll it out until it's as big as this board. So about 40 centimetres by about 55. I want it nicely rectangular and it's very stretchy so it does bounce back, so give it a good pull on the corners. There, that should do it. Let's use that pizza cutter to get a lovely straight edge. I'm going to make long strips so that I can roll them up, but I want each strip to be slightly wider at one edge than the other. So I'm doing this by eye today, and I should have measured because that last one was a bit wobbly. That's going to be a fat one. So a little bit of dark chocolate rolled into the first bit. I've done about 3 there, and then rolled it up from the thick end to the thin end. Again, a bit of chocolate, little roll, a bit more chocolate, and then roll it right up, and the same with the rest. I'm going to cover these up now and leave them in the fridge overnight to give a good rise. A bit of egg wash and a bake, and I would definitely have these hot from the oven alongside a steaming cup of coffee. Thanks for watching today. Take care, and I'll catch you soon.